What if the secret to living a longer, healthier life wasn't in your diet, but in a tiny pill? Scientists have discovered something extraordinary, a drug that could mimic the life-extending benefits of eating less. It's called rapamycin, and it might just be the closest thing we have to an anti-aging elixir. But how does it work? Could it really give you decades more life without changing your lifestyle? Let's find out. For decades, researchers have known that one of the most effective ways to increase lifespan in animals, from worms to monkeys, is through calorie restriction. Eating 30 to 40% less can lead to longer life, fewer diseases, and improved brain function. But let's be honest, most of us aren't going to give up pizza and desserts. That's where rapamycin comes in. Scientists say this compound might replicate the effects of a strict diet without the hunger. So, what if everyone started taking it? Imagine a world where people no longer age the way we do now. You're 70 but look 50. Disease rates plummet. People remain active, energetic, and independent well into their 90s. Rapamycin, originally discovered in soil from Easter Island, was first used as an immunosuppressant in organ transplants. But its true superpower lies in how it slows down the aging process at a cellular level. In mice, it extended life by up to 25%. In humans, the results are still emerging, but they're promising. So how does it work? Rapamycin blocks a protein in cells called mTOR, short for mechanistic target of rapamycin. mTOR regulates growth and metabolism. When food is plentiful, mTOR is active, pushing cells to grow. But when calories are scarce, mTOR shuts down, activating repair systems instead. That's where longevity begins. Rapamycin tricks the body into thinking it's in a calorie-restricted state, even if you're not. Your cells go into survival mode, cleaning up damaged proteins, repairing DNA, and functioning more efficiently. Now imagine rapamycin being available as a daily supplement. The average lifespan could jump from 80 to 100 or more. Age-related diseases, Alzheimer's, cancer, cardiovascular problems could be delayed or even prevented. Healthcare systems could save billions. But here's the twist: what happens to society? An aging population that doesn't age in the traditional sense could create radical shifts. Retirement age may move to 80 or 90. Workplaces might be filled with 3 generations side by side. Relationships could span twice the current average length. Overpopulation concerns could arise as fewer people die while birth rates continue. Economies might shift from managing decline to managing sustained vitality. The fashion and entertainment industries could see a surge of older, vibrant stars. Education might become a lifelong journey. But here's a darker thought: what if access to rapamycin is unequal? The rich could buy decades of extra life, while the poor are left behind. Could this become the ultimate divide? There's also a scientific risk. Long-term use of rapamycin could suppress the immune system too much. What if people became more vulnerable to infections? What if mTOR suppression leads to unexpected side effects we don't fully understand yet? So, what if this tiny drug could help us live longer, healthier lives without ever needing to starve ourselves? Rapamycin opens the door to a future where aging is optional, but it also challenges our understanding of life, society, and mortality. Would you take the pill? If you're fascinated by how science is pushing the limits of human life, subscribe to Infinite if for more wild what-if scenarios like this. Drop a like, share this with your curious friends, and don't forget, the full future might be just one breakthrough away.